Hey y'all, this is me, Vintage Siren Fan Collector, back with the ceiling fan video. And today I have this really strange fan. I got this at Goodwill, and it came in this Hunter Ridgefield box. And I thought, oh cool, I may have gotten a Hunter Ridgefield. Nah, in the box was this fan. And guys, I have not seen a fan like this before. A generic 4-blade fan with a light, 3 light. But it had different shades on it. It was clear tulip shades, but I'm going to end up using the original shades from this fan on a different fan. However, I am looking to sell this fan too, so be on the lookout on eBay if you're interested of this fan. Either way, we're going to turn this fan's light on, and we're going to go on low speed. I don't even know what this is. Like, it's just a very strange fan if you ask me. I've been to many places, but I've never seen one like this. It's probably in someone's bedroom originally. It's probably what it was. Or this may have been a Dollar General fan. For those who don't know, Dollar General used to sell ceiling fans many years ago, but I'm sure a lot of the older collectors that have been around before my time would probably be able to tell you that as well. Anyway, let's go up to medium with the light off. And if y'all are wondering if this fan's got a bad capacitor, to be honest, it didn't seem like it had a bad capacitor. Though I do think it'd probably be better if it had one. Had an upgraded capacitor, probably about 5 microfarads. This thing would probably be able to move some more air. Yeah, this thing got a 4 microfarad capacitor, which I originally thought this fan would have like a 1.5. I got plenty of 4s laying around, but not anything above 4. Let's go to high speed. With the light on. This is still a really, like, this would be more of a medium on some fans, not a high. But on this fan, whew, it's not very fast. I think the RPMs are pretty slow. Not even 100. Kind of looks like the speed of a 45 RPM record, which that's not very fast for a fan. When you got fans like that original down there, I could easily kill this fan. But yeah, I'm not looking to keep this one, even though it's an oddball. Now we're going to do the old somewhat spin down. Try to use a piece of foam out of all things. See if that works. Alrighty. Well, that kind of worked. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys from the next one.